In recent years, kettlebell training has gained significant popularity in the fitness world due to its unique combination of strength, cardiovascular conditioning, and flexibility benefits. But what happens to your body if you exercise with kettlebells every day? In this video, we will explore the transformative effects of daily kettlebell exercise on the human body, based on scientific explanations and evidence. So let's get started. Number 1. Increased strength and muscle. Increased strength and muscle development. One of the primary benefits of daily kettlebell exercise is increased strength and muscle development. Kettlebell workouts engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, leading to a comprehensive strength training experience. The swinging and lifting movements involved in kettlebell exercises activate the core lower back glutes, shoulders and arms, resulting in improved muscular strength and endurance. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research demonstrated that regular kettlebell training significantly increased maximal and explosive strength in the lower body muscles. Additionally, a research study conducted by Otto at AHL 2012 found that kettlebell training led to substantial improvements in upper body muscular strength and power. Number 2. Enhanced cardiovascular fitness. Kettlebell exercises are known for their ability to elevate heart rate and challenge the cardiovascular system. Incorporating kettlebell swings, snatches, and high-intensity interval training protocols into your daily routine can greatly enhance your cardiovascular fitness. Research published in the International Journal of Sports Science and Coaching revealed that kettlebell workouts elicit a significant increase in oxygen consumption and heart rate, indicating a substantial cardiovascular challenge. This intensity can lead to improved aerobic capacity, decreased resting heart rate, and enhanced overall cardiovascular health. Number 3. Improved flexibility and joint mobility. Daily kettlebell exercise also promotes flexibility and joint mobility, which are crucial for maintaining optimal movement patterns and reducing the risk of injuries. Many kettlebell exercises require full body engagement, leading to improved range of motion in various joints. Study by Schiffer at AL 2015 examined the effects of kettlebell training on flexibility and found that participants experienced significant improvements in hamstring and lower back flexibility after only 8 weeks of training. Furthermore, the dynamic nature of kettlebell exercises enhances mobility in the hips, shoulders, and thoracic spine, contributing to overall functional fitness. Number 4. Fat loss and body composition. Regular kettlebell workouts can also contribute to fat loss and improvements in body composition. Kettlebell exercises are highly metabolic and calorie burning, making them an effective tool for weight management. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research compared the energy expenditure during kettlebell training with treadmill running and found that kettlebell workouts resulted in a higher metabolic rate and greater fat burning. By engaging multiple muscle groups and incorporating high-intensity intervals, kettlebell exercises promote fat loss while preserving lean muscle mass, leading to a more favorable body composition. Number 5. Improved core stability and posture. One of the key benefits of kettlebell training is its emphasis on core engagement. The core muscles play a crucial role in stabilizing the spine and maintaining good posture as you perform exercises like Turkish get-ups, windmills, and carries. Your core muscles are continuously engaged to maintain proper alignment and control. Regular kettlebell training strengthens the core muscles, leading to improved stability, enhanced posture, and reduced risk of back pain. So now you know why you should do exercise with kettlebells daily. However, as with any exercise program, it's essential to start at an appropriate intensity level gradually. Also, if you want to know about what happens to your body if you start doing 100 burpees every day, then click here.